You can embroider in a variety of materials on our CAMFive EMB machines. But does the quality be right? Join us to discover how to embroider light fabric with amazing results. We'll work on a polyester hat, a very flexible fabric that stretches while embroidered. Let's start putting the material in the ring that comes with your machine. Set a pair of layers of vellum for a better embroidery and tighten all the elements of the ring. It is important to switch the embroidery batch for the flat one. That will give more quality to the job. Align the needle with the laser tag. It will center the design with the material. Program the reinforcement of the embroidery design to bring more strength and leave no gaps or deformities on the fillings. Check the color sequence a couple times to be right. Before you start, turn your design 180 degrees so you can match it with the ring. This is only for those elements that work with it. The design can have a continuous embroidery, which makes it faster to finish. Adjust embroidery speed. We recommend a 750 RPM tops. This can prevent you from breaking needles and many other problems related to the machine's speed. Once finished, remove the hat from the ring and gently remove the excess pellet. Use the special scissors to cut the extra threads and finish the job. Now, you are going to learn how to program the jumps in our machine. First, the jumps leave a thread that doesn't improve the quality of the embroidery and wear out the machine. We need to select our section to embroider. We click on Object Properties, Connectors, and then go to the Trim After window. Select If Next Connectors. It already has a 9mm configuration. This means that the machine is going to jump from one object to the other. If the connector's length is 9mm longer, the machine will cut the thread. So, as we don't want the extra thread, we are going to change the parameter from 9mm to 2mm. Scrolling the mouse down on the If Next Connectors window. As we can see, there's no threads left that interfere with our design. We do not recommend to lower the parameter to the minimum or to activate the Always button. That will make our machine to stop and cut on every object. We hope this helps you. Thanks for watching and keep tuned for more tips and tricks for your CAMFive EMB embroidery machine.